Hello, 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 it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And this is the last layout for our February 2025 challenge, and the title was Love. So for layout number 4, I have these products that I have pre-selected, and if you hadn't seen that video, you need to go to February 1st video, and it is a face-on-face video, and you can see all the products that I pre-selected for the February 2025 challenge. Now let's get back to layout number 4. So I have some miscellaneous stickers in here from a Vicki Boutin collection and a couple of wood veneers. I have this heart banner, if I can get it out. Can you see that heart banner? And that came from an old Close to My Heart collection, along with this sticker sheet here. And then underneath, I have pre-selected 3 photographs, but I think I am only going to use 2 of them. I think I'm just going to use those 2. This one just seems a little bit out of place just because of the lighting. This is the true color of this metal, but and this was taken on a day, of course, it's in autumn and it is not as bright. So anyway, I think these 2 go together well. So I'm just going to use those 2 memories to document, and I'll talk about the story behind that. Then I have this pattern paper here that was from my collection, and it is an older Close to My Heart, and I am going to use this pattern paper to map my photographs. This is a 6x6 pattern paper in my scrappy stash. I have no idea the name of the collection or the manufacturer. I have this, let's see what this is, 6x8 subject ruler paper, and this is from a Vicki Boutin collection. And then I have this 49 and Market paper, and it was a 12x12, and it is cut down to 8.5 by 11. I've matted my 2 photographs, and I also got out 2 washi tapes because one of my challenges for myself this year, not for Mini Kit Monday, is to incorporate more of my washi tape into my layout. So I don't have an abundance. Let me show you what I have real quick in the container. I used to have 3 times this amount, but this is my favorite ones that I kept. And so anyway, that's my challenge, is to use my washi tape for 2025. Now back to the layout. Okay, as you know, I want to use this, and I originally wanted to use the green side because of the green in the grass, and I thought, ooh, that's too much. Let me flip it over. And I do like the brown, and I like the matted pattern paper against the brown, and I think I'm gonna tear it to get that edge, and I think we're gonna go ahead and overlap the photographs. Now let's add the washi tape, and I'm gonna go right up against the edge of the 6x8 paper, just like that. And I think I'm gonna do like that. And next, I'm going to add the glitter washi tape, and I am having a little bit of difficulty finding the starting point. There we go. Now, this one, I may have to come back and add wet adhesive glue. I like that. I adhered the glitter tape down using the wet adhesive off camera, and I ruffled up the edges more on this brown matted paper. It was still too much brown showing. I've emptied my pack of stickers in this little envelope here, and then of course I have this 12 by 12 sticker sheet to use for embellishments. I want to use hearts. Our theme is about love, loving whatever it may be. So I love our setup here. And so that's what I'm documenting up here in the mountains. And I want to place that like that. And it layers and ties these papers and this embellishment together with my photograph so that your eye will flow freely. So I'm going to use a little bit of wet adhesive and put this down. I'm just going to put a couple of dots. Don't need a whole lot. And I like that. So maybe we can add this here, which that looks really good. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and press that down. I may have to add some wet adhesive or some foam dot. We incorporate some gold. Oh, I like that. That'll work. And then I can put something in there, maybe one of these butterflies. The littler butterfly on top. Like this. Oh, I like it like that. There. Okay, next let's work this corner right here, and let me see what I can get off this sticker sheet. This looks like a decent size to fill in over there, so let's use that. I feel like I need to add more down there. We have to bring some more gold in, I feel. And then we have the gold going across this way. Okay, that's staying. Okay, off camera, I readjusted this title and I added this gold arrow from the Vicki Boutin Alpha set, and it gives me my 3 areas of gold. So one here, here, and here. And then I have the black that's prominent. There's really no other area for black. And then I have my off-white hearts here, which ties into the off-white of these Vicki Boutin stickers. Now I am going to add some splatters using Creamies from Shimmers Paint. And I'm going to create some splatters here in this empty area. And if I don't journal on the front, I will journal on the back. I'm going to go ahead and add some water to my cap right here because the ink is pretty thick here because it's older. And I'm going to use this number, what number round brush is this? I don't see it. And let's see what I can, perfect. And we're going to get some big, there, I like that. And then we'll get some tiny splatters. Yep. And perfect. Love it. That turned out perfect. And I'm not going to put any black up here. I don't want to take the chance of getting black on my hearts. I could put a little bit here, but the title's pretty prominent, so it's the splatters here is just going to make the title and this page all blend together. So your eye is going to move around this page smoothly. And we will let that dry, and I will have still shots at the end with the splatters being dry. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're not a subscriber, be a subscriber. It's for free. It helps bring traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration, that hasn't found my channel yet and is interested in a variety of creation when it comes to scrapbooking those memories. And what I mean by that, you're going to see 12 by 12. You're going to see 8.5 by 11, 6 by 8 pages, probably some 8 by 8s. I'm also working on a Smashbook page, and I'm going to do some art journaling pages. If you have any questions, leave comments listed below. And most of all, get out those photographs, get out those scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. We'll see you next time. Bye.